So let's move on to the solution for this exercise which is given here. If you have already completed this exercise, then you can just skip this part and move on to the next tutorial. And if you haven't completed it, you can just see how I am doing it. So first of all, we need to select the data, which will be this column here, the title column. We need to select that. And in this column, we need to set a data validation rule that only allows a text length of less than or equal to 40 characters. So we will just go to the data tab here, data validation. And now here in the validation criteria, we need to select text length here. And the data will be less than or equal to 40. Now we need to go to the error alert, and the style of error alert will be stop, which is already selected here. And in the title we need to type in no, and we need to type in the error message. So now we will click OK, and we'll come back to the data validation tab and see if this box is already checked or not. The apply these changes to all other cells within the same settings. So we'll just check in this box and we'll click OK. So now if I just select this data here, copy it and paste it in any of this cell, it should give me my error message. So I'll just click enter. Okay, as you can see, it is giving me my error message that no titles are greater than 40 characters in text length, which was the message that I crafted and put in the error message. So it is saying that more than 40 characters in text length are not allowed in this whole column. So I'll just click cancel, and it is right where we were before.